everyone, it's your girl, Lynn Russell, aka Rev Russ. I am here at a fantastic swimming hole in my home state, celebrating summer. Happy August. It is a blessing to get to be here and experience the healing benefits of this water. It's clean, clear, beautiful water. A little bit of fish in it, but the waterfalls are fantastic. One of them you can go behind and peek out from, and the other is essentially a back massager. You can climb up on that one and get a lovely back and neck massage, so I was digging that today. And I want to offer some healing prayers to clean and clarify this water and raise its vibration before I leave today as a way to say thank you. Water, I am sorry. Water, please forgive me. Water, I thank you. Water, I love you. Water, I am sorry. Water, please forgive me. Water, I thank you. Water, I love you. Water, I am sorry. Water, please forgive me. Water, I thank you. Water, I love you. Blessings to this land and to this water, and my eternal gratitude for the spirits of this place allowing myself safe passage. I appreciate it. It's always a good idea to ask the nature spirits for safe passage through land, through water. It doesn't matter. Everything has a spirit, and we are all guests here. So please do remember that as you trek about this year. It's important. We're all one. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you're all enjoying your summer.